So our sun is about 4.5 billion years old. It's about 100 times the size of the Earth. It's made mostly of hydrogen. The hydrogen fuses and then turns into helium. The idea that every second it produces the same energy as 400 billion nuclear bombs is mind blowing to me. That is just a tremendous amount of energy. I can't imagine one atomic bomb, let alone 400 billion nuclear bombs worth of energy. The heat from the core rises up in columns, and the video showed this really in a cool way and helped me to understand how that process happens. Um, the sun transfers heat energy through convection, and the material gets thin enough and is able to pass through the layer called the photosphere, and this is the light that we see. Finally, a thin layer called the corona. This is where the solar wind comes from. That's my basic understanding of the sun and how it works. As far as life on Earth is concerned, without the sun, there wouldn't be any as we know it. There may be life that can live without it, but so far we have not found a way. Our sun is vital to our life, and our position in the universe in relation to our sun is what has produced life on Earth as we know it.